So we are on the Utopia of the Seas 5-day cruise, deck 9, room 607. For some reason I just drew a blank, didn't know what I wanted to say.
We have a Central Park view.
Central Park view, that's right. Yeah. Bathrooms feel a little bigger than the last cruise we've been on. We haven't been on a ton of cruises lately, but I really like the glass shower door versus the old curtains. Everything is still fair. I think they said this was the 18th voyage on this particular ship, so everything is still fairly new. No issues in the restroom, and I'm taking a picture of myself on that camera, so you might want to switch that up. I'm talking to you, V. Closet, one of them, very spacious, I thought. Plenty of room for everything, including the bag of dirty clothes at the bottom. Temperature control, it was all the way on low when we first got here. We turned it up 1 notch and it's been pretty nice. It did feel like it got hot last night, but that could have been my imagination. Sofa, it pulls out into a sleeper. We haven't had to do that. It's just me and V, so no need for that. Nice little desk area here with lots of plugs, lots of outlets, I should say, for all the plug-ins. We heard some things about some of the outlets not working before we came on the ship from some other videos, but I haven't had anything not work. I don't know about V, but I have not had anything that has not worked, so everything has been good. Mini fridge. Drawer space, there's the dryer, hair dryer. There was also menus in here for room service and tissue. Yeah, and then pretty good amount of space. Drawers over here. Hooks, I don't know if that's what they're for, but that's where we hung our hats. 3 days worth of animals that were left in our room after the room was made, so pretty neat. And then we have another closet. Safe, we didn't use it much, but it's nice to have it. A lot of storage, I thought.
Yeah, for 2 people.
For 2 people, plenty of storage
4
space.
nights.
4 nights. Again, more plugs, more outlets. Those are the only 2 lights that I could figure out how to control individually. Everything else was on the master switch. Probably missed something there, but so nice round night light at the end of the night. Not a ton of storage space over here, but enough for what we needed. And then again, we have the Central Park view, which is really nice. We also heard about some rooms based on where they were located and some of the activities that were going on the ship. There was a lot of noise, but for us, I didn't hear much at night at all. There wasn't a lot of partying going on the Central Park deck, but
no, we just had one night we had a violinist, and the other night we had a piano player. So it was real classical.
Yeah, and it wasn't
easy
on that late either, so
yeah,
no issues, quiet. So yeah, that's the regular room. It's an inside cabin technically, but we did get the upgrade. We bid on an upgrade for the view of the Central Park, so I liked it. It gave us a little more light. And again, being able to look out the window and see what was going on outside, but still nice. Okay, I think that's it. Anything else we want to show them?
Nope, I think that's it.
All right.